You want to see the police video that has made me laugh the most? Well, get ready. I've received hundreds upon hundreds of DVDs from police departments containing criminal footage, but this is the one that, no matter how many times I watch it, I cannot help but laugh. There's a particular point in this video where just thinking about it makes me crack up. I've tried to put a video together on this footage 3 times now, but keep giving up simply because I don't know how to portray it. But last night I was lying in bed with my wife and I was about to go to sleep and I just start laughing remembering this part of this video. So I figure I have to release this video, that way I can finally stop thinking about this guy. It all begins with a call from a concerned citizen. She saw a truck parked fairly deep in a hiking trail with the driver passed out in the driver's seat. As the officer with the body cam mentions to his newbie partner, the crime is just a slap on the wrist, a monetary fine for driving your vehicle into a restricted zone.
So it's a monetary fine for operating a vehicle in a park in a restricted area.
But as you'll see, when the police approach the vehicle, it does not have a license plate, and the man passed out in the passenger seat is, well, you'll see.
Hey, my man.
Over here.
What's up, bud? I'm Officer Warren Seattle Police Department. We're being recorded, okay?
Okay.
Not too bad. What are we doing out here?
Riding.
You're riding?
Yeah, riding.
Okay.
Okay.
You know you're not allowed to have a private vehicle out here on park trails?
Oh, okay. I'll pull out.
All right. Before you do that, step out of the car.
This cop is already laughing at this guy, and justifiably. This sleepy boy thinks he can park on a park trail without a license plate to where cops are called and then just drive away, problem solved. This guy is out to lunch. And what he does next basically tells you all you need to know about this man. You're about to watch the most amazing attempt to stall for time in police footage history.
Okay. All right.
No, step out that way.
Okay. I'm just checking.
There's nothing to check for. I don't care about drug paraphernalia, nothing like that. Just step out of the vehicle. Hey, my man, this isn't a complicated request. Step out of the vehicle.
Okay, man. Whoa. Hey, calm down, man.
There's a lot of confusion going on right here.
Please. Chill. Whoa. Ah.
Trying to sort it out. What are you doing?
I think he's thinking about it really hard. Is there something in the car you don't want us to see? Is that the problem?
No, man. I'm just trying to think about what's going on.
The police are contacting you, and the police are telling you to step out of the vehicle so we can talk.
Okay, man.
Simple. So let's go ahead and start doing that.
Do you need assistance? I can provide
I'm
assistance.
just trying to think.
There's nothing to think about. Step out of the vehicle.
Man, please, would you please stop? Please.
We're not doing anything. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle.
Okay. Can you please give me a second, man?
Yeah, and that means don't reach around for anything like that, okay?
Okay, man. No, I'm not.
Okay, so your hands are up. That's great. Go ahead and step out.
All right. Can we please wait a second?
What are we waiting on?
Watch your right, bud.
Wait, what?
there it is. No matter how many times I watch it, I cannot help but laugh at this guy who thinks now is the perfect time to open his bottle of Coca-Cola. It's the hissing sound of the cola bottle that really gets me. Like, he's so nonchalant about opening that bottle of cola despite being confronted by 2 gun-wielding police officers. I can't help but think of that music video where the guy is singing about how he just wanted his mom to get him a Pepsi so he can sit there and think. This guy is that music video personified. This guy is a real piece of work.
Why are you drinking a soda? All right, bud. We're He just ate it, bro. Is that your friend? All right.
I walk through.
Yeah, you're good.
I love how the police just let him run off, laughing the whole time. I'd be pissing my pants from laughing, honestly. It just goes to show you the threat level of the suspect when the police not only delay the pursuit, but don't get concerned about, like, that stranger standing off in the distance. The police do find out that this man is actually a public danger. They find that out later, but at the moment when they see him, he's just too goofy to believe. Just check out what the police do after the guy runs off. They search his car and find a rifle, but not really.
So I'm gonna secure this rifle because it's out here in a public park. Okay. And it's a toy. It is a toy.
The police continue to laugh at the man as they search the vehicle.
On either way, he busted his butt going.
Yeah,
"I'm not going there."
yeah, he did too. And that's.
And then they meet a hiker.
Okay, if I go through.
I wouldn't advise it. There's a guy possibly armed running through the woods over there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go that way.
But not all hikers take him as a serious threat.
So, did you see a heavyset white guy running around? No?
We saw him run that way the
Okay.
same time you guys did.
All right.
I just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to run in
Yeah.
and stop your
It's-
guys' job.
It's a good direction. He might be armed.
I have mace and I have this.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's a good time to have a pit. We're just.
Eventually, he is caught by another police unit. However, it turns out that this was a case of mistaken identity.
Yeah, he was not the one we contacted at the truck.
Oh,
He hasn't seen us before.
really?
He is adamant the only reason he was in the woods because he got jumped by a bunch of people and he killed.
He's at Post Marine, right?
Oh, so racist jokes are funny.
It wasn't a
Sorry.
racist
Yeah,
joke.
yeah,
This guy, man, as soon as we reapproach him, he's arguing about a racist joke he may have made. I had to figure out what this was about, so I obtained the other officer's body cam footage. And man, let me say, just let's start from seeing how this guy was actually captured.
I see behind us.
Seattle Police, show me your fucking hands!
I see your hands, dude. Give it up, I'm gonna shoot you. Hold in.
Stick your fucking hands up!
Put your hands on your head.
Show us your fucking hands!
Let me raise them up so I can see you.
On my head. Right in there. Here. Now, I'm not doing anything funny, man. Here. Whoa. What's going on?
What's going on? Yeah, so what's going on? As if the cops are disturbing his deep force yoga training or something. The audacity of this guy, I swear.
What do you mean what's going on? You're hiding.
You're under arrest. Go.
I'm sleeping, man.
You're under arrest.
Okay. I'm not fighting, sure. Okay, guys, I'm not fighting. I'm not. What's my under arrest for?
Under arrest for this assault vehicle.
Stand up!
Okay, look. Whoa.
Stand up.
Okay, I am.
You're here all day long.
Oh, what are you talking about, man? I just fucking came and was gonna take a fucking nap.
See the guy to your
I
right?
have enemies doing
See the guy to your right? He saw you.
man.
Ow.
Stop. You're okay. Relax.
No, it's my left.
Relax.
My left pinky's
We
broken.
got you. We got
My left
you.
pinky's broken.
We got you.
Ow.
Well, these woods pretty good.
No. What
They're
are you
laying on
talking
top
about?
of you.
Frank, go.
I
Let me
can
touch
see
you.
where the woods
I'm hiding. I put some holes and trying to kill me. Oh, look.
Stand up.
Let's go.
I'm trying.
Hey, we're gonna need you to act like an adult to get out of here.
Yeah, man. What is going on?
He is arrested and read his Miranda warning, and then he is brought down to the police car at the bottom of the hill to talk.
Oh, you're fine?
Yeah. The only thing I have cellulitis in my leg. That's it.
Close your eye.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, looks like you got wax a little bit there, but I think you're gonna be okay with that, alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Awesome, we're good.
Oh, great. Okay, face the car for me again, okay?
Who's in 401 today?
This will... Oh, no. Oh, ours. Yeah, right here. Oh. No other weapons or anything?
I don't have weapons.
Well, okay. Do you have anything else that could hurt somebody?
Okay, that's it. Cool.
Yeah, I got you. I'm not gonna argue semantics. Okay. I should have called it a hammer.
Okay.
Nothing under your balls or in your ass.
No.
Just stop the traffic for a switch, dude.
Spread your feet.
Not working?
Spread your feet.
I can get you the other thing. You get it back.
Lift your hands up.
Can I?
We got action.
My phone.
Yeah. Well, hey,
Yeah.
where's your phone?
My phone book.
Oh yeah, we'll get you everything, man. We're not stealing nothing from you. Oh, you have a lawyer on retainer?
Hell yeah, he does. He's a career criminal. At only 26 years old, this man, Joseph DePaco, has 4 stolen vehicle felony convictions, 1 stolen property felony conviction, 1 felony drug conviction, a gun-related conviction, and a domestic violence conviction. Joseph might seem like a bumbling fool on the surface, but he truly is a danger to the public. After Joseph is thoroughly searched, he's questioned, and as you would expect, he gives the most absurd answers.
More money. Where do you live?
I just told you where I live. I
didn't
stay
care.
in the woods between here, Golden Gardens, Boeing.
Hey, dude.
Simone's.
I've been a cop for like almost 7 months, and I can tell that you don't live in the fucking woods, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spread your feet.
Hey, pull up more. Yeah, pull up.
Nah, you're too clean, man.
I just got all these out of a donation bin.
Did you guys read them yet by chance?
Yeah, Tyler did, yep.
Understood? Camera.
Yeah, understood.
Why did you take off like that, man?
You got the wrong dude.
So you weren't in the car that took off? You asked you to step out, we were checking on you? Running to the woods?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Why were you in the woods?
I just explaining to these guys. I got a broken pinky right now, right? I was in protective custody in jail. That's all. I'm scholars that are trying to kill me. Okay. I got jumped, my pinky got broken by 3 of them in jail. They're out here trying to kill me. I've been hiding.
Okay, so that's why you were in the woods.
Yeah.
So you don't know anything about the red pickup truck that was over there?
No.
Nothing about it? You didn't talk to me and my partner at the time? Okay.
Oh, you actually contacted him?
Oh yeah, for like 3 minutes.
Joseph, come on,
Asked him to
dude.
step out of the truck.
I've been a cop 7 months. He's been one for at least 8.5.
You guys are mistaken. Is it all white people look alike or what?
Oh, whoa, dude.
I don't get it.
Hey Nate.
You guys got the wrong guy. I would like to call my lawyer.
Yeah, you'll fight. They'll let you call him.
Can I please smoke a cigarette?
Dude, you just called that cop a racist.
I didn't
man.
say I was just.
Yes, you did.
I wasn't calling him a racist. I was making a joke.
Oh, so racist jokes are
It wasn't a racist joke.
So you're saying that I did not contact you, right?
But I've never seen it before in my life.
Now back to the original officer, who is in the process of clearing up this case of mistaken identity, in which the suspect claims to have never seen this officer, an officer who is wearing a body cam, by the way.
So you're saying that I did not contact you, right?
But I've never seen it before in my life.
You realize this is going the whole time, right?
It's a camera.
When I walked up and said I'm Officer Winsale, Police Department, we're being recorded.
Yeah, I've never seen it before. This.
You're gonna stick with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just to let you know, you're gonna be under arrest for possession of stolen motor vehicle, violation of the Uniform Firearm Act, and requesting charges for obstruction. Okay?
I know it's 2022 and things are different, but you know the rule. You run from the police.
I'm running from Smollins. They're not cops.
I hear you.
I hear ya. Yeah, we've all been there. We've all been chased by Samoans. Anyway, that's Joseph DePaco's story, and he's sticking to it. He was chased by Samoans into the woods, where he also lives. He was taking a well-deserved nap after the chase when police arrested him in a case of mistaken identity. And I believe him 100%. Thanks for watching.